Ladies and gentlemen, the average loss in a Bitcoin bear market is roughly minus 82% to the downside, and we are now potentially seeing signs in the chart suggesting that we could be headed into a bear market right here, right now. Is there any hope left for a new all-time high in the next coming months? Or, my friends, are we possibly on a path deep down into the crypto abyss? Let's dive in and analyze what is going on, ladies and gentlemen. Crypto Kirby here, your cryptocurrency expert, back with another edition of the daily live stream. So let's not waste any time and get right down to it. So let's begin here with this bearish MACD cross on the 1 month time frame. We've only seen this a handful of times throughout Bitcoin's past, and every time that it has happened, we have gone into an absolutely devastating bear market. You can see this occurrence back there in 2014. Fast forward quite a bit, you could see we had another one here in 2018, led to a catastrophic bear market. Fast forward again, ladies and gentlemen, we had another one here in 2019/2020, led to a catastrophic bear market. And right here, right now, you just can't make this stuff up. Ding, 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 chicken wings for dinner, tofu if you're vegan. We are right now seeing another bearish cross on the monthly MACD for the Bitcoin price. Another visualization of this would just be to look at when the histogram turns red. Obviously, it's turned red right here, right now. If we take a look back, the last time that this turned red, started the bear market. Over here, started the bear market. If we go all the way back in time here into 2014, we flipped red, started the bear market. You get the picture. So right now, yes, folks, this is a mega signal here. People have been asking me about this. And for me right now, yes, this is obviously just another macro indicator here signaling that the Bitcoin price could be due for some further downside action, in my opinion. Now, if you are subscribed to this channel, then you would know that on yesterday's stream, I pulled this up, and it is the Fibonacci retracement from the bottom of the cycle to the potential top of the cycle. And this gives us our golden 0.618 Fib retracement level right there, just at about 29,000, about 28,800 on my chart. And if you guys are familiar with the Fibonacci retracement tool, the 0.618 is the golden Fib, right? This is it. This is the line in the sand. And right now, ladies and gentlemen, that level is tied directly with this level of prior support for the Bitcoin price. So if we are to see Bitcoin dump once more down towards this 28.8K level, it must hold, in my opinion, because if we lose the potential support of the golden Fibonacci retracement, wow, this could truly open the trap door, ladies and gentlemen. This possibly could be the point where if we lose it, capitulation could begin and we could drop all the way down towards 20,000, our old all-time high peak back in 2017, our old multi-month resistance here in 2020. And then if we lose that, it's possible that we could head all the way down towards 14,000, but we'll get back to that in just a few minutes. Now, on a more micro level, I mean, it's still macro, but we're not looking at the monthly time frame now, right? We're here on the daily. Just understand that this horizontal resistance range here, this red box, which for me ranges from basically 38,500 up to about 42,000, this box is very, very critical here for the Bitcoin price. And as you can see right now at the time of recording, we have officially tested up into the box and we are being met with some rejection right here, right now. Of course, this rejection does not have to follow through. It could just wind up moving right through it. But right now, I am remaining cautious here, folks, as it's very possible that this could be the line in the sand here where the correction upwards ends and we start to plunge again, right? In these downtrends, we see corrections to the upside before continued downside action. And to me right now, it's very possible that this is still just creating and continuing this downward staircase, right? That has been going for months and months and months at this point. It doesn't have to occur. I'm just stating that this level is where I was potentially going to expect rejection, and we are starting to see some rejection right here, right now. And if we flip on our Keltner channels indicator here on the daily time frame, here are my inputs, just in case you'd like to look at it on your own time. Right now, we are seeing rejection right at that middle line, which, if you are subscribed to this channel, you would know that we've been seeing rejection at this middle band throughout the entire downturn. So this, to me, folks, is an absolute warning shot fired. It just is what it is, right? This pattern, this fractal, this whatever you'd like to call it, does not have to continue moving forward. But right now, on this very specific downtrend, we have seen this line act as resistance 3 times prior. So right now, I am paying very close attention to this, as this could be an area where we do start to see sellers come back in, short trades start to come back in, and this correction up could potentially be over. And I know when you say things like this on YouTube that, you don't please the herd. The large majority are upset. This guy, right? If the price moves up, this guy, he's wrecked. His. Is what I'm showing you not true? Have we not been rejected 3 times at this line? Have we not continued to see lower high after lower high and lower low after lower low? Are we not at this horizontal resistance range of potential resistance, right? Many in this space, ladies and gentlemen, are results driven purely. It's like a bad poker player, right? If you're trying to chase a flush draw, usually you'll have less than a 40% chance to hit that flush draw if you have 4 of a kind on the flop, if you're playing Texas Hold'em, say, right? But people chase that, and sometimes they hit it. Does that make it right that they chased it till the end versus a guy with pocket aces? Absolutely not. They, most of the time, are going to lose that hand, right? So poker, you find that bad poker players generally are results oriented. If they hit the flush, haha, you lose, I win, I hit the flush. But long term, you're just a losing player as you're chasing something where the odds aren't in your favor, right? So as a technical analyst here, right now, it still appears to me that the odds are in my favor looking at this from a bearish perspective, where we've seen these bearish resistance signals continue to push the price down further. Absolutely, this will break at some point. We will, regardless if it happens at 20K or 14K, we will wind up going in at least a short-term uptrend again, if not a long-term uptrend again. It's just that right now, I just don't see the evidence in the chart suggesting that this is overwhelmingly bullish right now at this point. Could it still rocket ship here? Of course, anything is possible. I'm just stating that from a probabilities perspective, you have to understand that right now, to me, as a realistic analyst here, this looks troublesome for Bitcoin. That's just my opinion. You're entitled to your own. Oh, and obviously, as I was just drawing a second ago, we still have not broken this downward sloping trend line either, right? You take it from the top, you connect these tops here. We still haven't broken it. I mean, it's very, very close right now, but this is just another factor here. You could see the trend is still in this downward sloping channel, right? We haven't broke out of it yet. It's possible that we could. It's just that still at this point in time, I've not seen that. If we break through this line, well, there's one thing for the bulls. If we break through this red box, that's another thing for the bulls. If we wind up getting above this Keltner channel band, that's another thing for the bulls. But at this time, it's just not there. It's just not in the chart yet, right? So for me right now, I'm going to continue to look at this trend from a bearish perspective. I'm speculating short right now. Shout out to my VIPs. You guys know I keep you up to date in real time with all of my real-time trade setup ideas, strategy ideas, entry ideas, etc. as the dawn looks to potentially strike gold again. Right now, folks, this market, it's really gearing up for what I believe is going to be a very interesting next few months here. And if you are not already in my VIP and you'd like all of that exclusive content, today is the day. It's time to transform yourself from average Joe into savage Joe. Let's get this crypto. I'll see you in VIP right now after this video. But let's get back to this chart here for a moment. I showed you guys earlier that the average loss in a Bitcoin bear market is minus 82%. Obviously, you just add all these together, divide it, and you get minus 82%. Now, the reason why I want to show you why this is so interesting is because if we take our price range tool, take it from our all-time high and drop it down roughly minus 82%, folks, this is an uncanny confluence here. Just look at the line of which it falls upon. It was our ceiling here before we ripped in our current cycle. It was our relative market cycle top back in 2019. It was the support after the first drop of the bubble pop in 2017. Then it was a resistance point here on the rebound rally before entering our bear market. We have absolutely uncanny confluence at this level, which is ironically right at the minus 82% drop point. Let's get this crypto. If you do appreciate me showing you this, all I ask for is a thumbs up for the YouTube algorithm. And if you're brand new, make sure you subscribe, tick the little bell, and select all. Do not miss any more of the most must-see and most realistic Bitcoin analysis on YouTube, period. Welcome to the channel. Folks, right now, for me, the most important level is obviously still here at about 29,000 flat. Until we see Bitcoin break below there, I still have my hopes that this trend could turn around to the upside, right? I'm not here to just doom and gloom it. I know that that's what many think. This guy, well, I mean, this guy just isn't posting clickbait titles that say Bitcoin's going to $1 million every 3 weeks. That's what most of these guys do. For me right now, the trend looks bearish. It has been bearish. But if we can stay above this point, I still have my bullish hopes alive. Albeit, that does not mean that I'm just going to diamond hand. I'm a hodler. What I'm looking to do here is if the trend is down, I'm going to play it down. If we start to show signs of bullishness back to the upside and we don't lose this floor around 29,000, wonderful. I'll probably at that point be looking to play it and speculate to the upside. But if we lose this 29K level, folks, my eyes are certainly set right here at about 20,000 flat, as this is the next level of horizontal confluence. I can't even say support. It's the next level of horizontal confluence here, right? Our old all-time high from 2017, this little consolidation here, and that's quite a big drop, ladies and gentlemen, from that trend line to that trend line, about 30% approximately. And if that's lost, why I said 14,000 in the beginning, obviously is because we have another trend line right there. So, folks, very, very interesting stuff here, especially in my opinion, with that uncanny line of confluence with the minus 82% average correction. Leave me a comment down below if you see what I'm talking about here with this average loss, okay? Just say, Kirby, I see it. That is uncanny. Say, Kirby, I see it. I don't want to believe it. Whatever you'd say, leave me a comment about it. I'm going to be reading them today, all right? Thank you. And right now, with the way the market is set up, I mean, I just think that this is a prime location for many to potentially get caught like a deer in the headlights and take that trip to Wrecked City with Average Joe and James at the water cooler. Does this not seem like the perfect storm here, folks, where many are going to get caught on the wrong side of the trade? I know personally I'm looking to potentially crush this move to the best of my ability. And if the trade does go against me, well, I'm going to practice proper risk mitigation, cut my loss for a small one compared to the possible reward, and then I'm going to move along to the next one. But right now, I have my eyes on the prize here. I'm watching this market around the clock like a hawk with an eagle eye, preparing to crush it and potentially get this crypto. And I'm telling you right now, folks, if you're not already in my VIP, wow, what a time. As I'm going to be posting all of my real-time trade setup ideas, entry ideas, potential take profit ideas, strategy ideas, all of that exclusively in VIP as the dawn looks to potentially strike gold again. So ladies and gentlemen, if you're not already in my VIP, seriously, do not miss my next important VIP trade setup idea and alert. Today is the day. It's time to transform yourself from Average Joe into Savage Joe. Let's get this crypto. I'll see you in VIP right now after this video. Don't miss this one, folks. Sheesh. And if you did enjoy here today, all I ask for is a thumbs up for the YouTube algorithm. Thanks for the thumbs up. If you're brand new, welcome to the channel. Make sure you hit that subscribe button, tick the little bell, and select all. Welcome to the most must-see and most realistic Bitcoin analysis show on YouTube, period. Let's get this crypto. And until next time, folks, seriously, don't miss this next one. I will see you in VIP right now after this video. Let's get this crypto. And until next time, the Dom has spoken. Be safe. Be happy. be healthy. It's your boy, Crypto Kirby. Peace and love, my friends. Curbs. Oh, and before I forget, don't fall for any of the fake Kirby accounts posting down in the comment section. They create fake accounts with a nearly identical username and logo to mine, then they reply to your comments with phone numbers and email addresses trying to get you to contact them. You can see several examples on your screen right now. Do not contact these people. So here's how you can verify that it's my actual real account. It's very simple. When you're watching a video on my channel, my real account will always have a gray nameplate behind my name. I also have a verified checkmark from YouTube. And just to make it even more obvious that it's me, I always leave a creator heart on my comments. Only the channel owner can leave a creator heart. So if you see the heart plus the gray background and the verified checkmark, you know that it's me. If you don't see those things, then it's obviously a fake account. It's as simple as that. They're also creating fake accounts over on Telegram now. So if you are ready to become a VIP, do not go on Telegram and search Crypto Kirby or Crypto Kirby VIP. You're going to find all fake results. My group is private. When you search that in the search bar, you're getting public results. They're all fake. They're all imposters. So if you're ready to join VIP, the only way to do so is to click the link either in the pinned comment or in the description of my video. If you search for Crypto Kirby or Crypto Kirby VIP anywhere else, you're going to be getting in contact with a fake. Only use the links in either the pinned comment or the description of my official video. Stay safe and stay smart, my friends. I'll see you in VIP right now after this video. Let's get this crypto.
The material in this video has no regard to the specific investment objectives, financial situation, or particular needs of any viewer. This video is presented solely for informational and entertainment purposes and is not to be construed as a recommendation, solicitation, or an offer to buy or sell any securities, commodities, cryptocurrencies, or any related financial instruments, nor should any of its content be taken as investment advice. Crypto Kirby is not a financial advisor. The views expressed in this video are completely speculative opinions and do not guarantee any specific result or profit. Trading and investing is extremely high risk and can result in the loss of all of your capital. Any opinions expressed in this video are subject to change without notice. Crypto Kirby is not under any obligation to update or keep current the information contained herein. Crypto Kirby may have an interest in securities, commodities, cryptocurrencies, and or derivatives of any entities referred to in this material. Crypto Kirby accepts no liability whatsoever for any loss or damage of any kind arising out of the use of all or any part of this material. Crypto Kirby recommends that you consult with a licensed and qualified professional before making any investment or trading decisions. Thank you for watching and have a great day.